timing is everything. But if anyone tells you they can time the market, then they have lied to you. No one except the market makers can time the market exactly and cash out profit whenever they want, because they are in the business of making profit. But you and I are out there to follow what these market makers are doing so that we can make money when they move the market either up or down. Today, I want us to walk through one of my most profitable strategy that I utilize to make profit in the market, looking at what Bitcoin is doing and then trading altcoin. This platform is focused on trading altcoin and making more Bitcoin. That is, looking for altcoins out there that outperform Bitcoins so that we can make amazing profit in the market. So today, I want you to sit back and take take your pen and paper, write down exactly what I'm going to be saying here today, and make sure you have on board these indicators that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. It's very important you have all these together so that we can get started with this today. If you are new here, you are watching the Betong Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help anyone out there make money in the crypto space. So if say you want to make money, you want to be successful in this space, then yeah, go right there and smash the subscribe button, thumbs up, and share my content with someone else out there. Having said all this good stuff, let's dive right away to what I got for you guys today. Don't be scared.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better.
Yeah, guys, welcome. This is gonna be straightforward. I don't want to waste so much time here because the market is dipping, and you guys need to go and look for opportunities out there to make some quick cash. With this strategy, guys. For you to actually get this setup that I have here, what you can see here, you need to go to the indicators section. This three bar here, click on it and search for alpha trend. The first indicator I want us to look at is alpha trend. Get the alpha trend screener by Kivans or Blitzkit. Get that one. The second indicator I want you to get is Trendilo open source. The first one, Trendilo open source. And the third I want you to get is the volume profile. The fixed range volume profile. This one. Um Fixed volume profile, another one, volume profile. Yeah, the fixed range volume profile. I think this is the one. Yeah, I think that's the one. Fixed range volume profile. The V, or you can just spell VP. Let me just see quickly the name. Yeah, VROVP. Yeah, just spell VROVP. I think up here VROVP. Yeah, I think that's the first one. Volume, visible range volume profile. Yeah, this one, the first one. Make sure you have that one. And yeah, that's all you need for this strategy. So, let's dive into it now. Um, there's so many things you need to look at when it comes to this strategy. We are on Bitcoin perpetual contract right now, and we are on the 4 hours time frame. This strategy, if say you want it to work effectively, you need to be on the higher time frame, like one day, 4 hours, 5 hours above. I think for 4 hours or on the 4 hours time frame is gonna be good for you because mostly I do swing trades. I swing trade, and I want to actually catch the market, not like catch the market from the bottom, like time the market, but I want to buy the market when I know that price is about to reverse to the other direction, be it when price was in an uptrend or when price was in a downtrend. So both of these trends give me an opportunity to know what price is doing at that period in time. So the alpha trend is this indicator here that print buy, sell. You can see when you see buy signal here, or sell signal here is the alpha trend. The trendilo is this moving average down here, and what it does is like a momentum indicator. It's like the RSI, and it gives me direction when price is oversold and when price is overbought, and also the Bollinger Band that you see here. When it's squeezed, I know that price is about to make a move in the market. So right now you can see clearly. I'm looking at this. The fixed volume profile is the one that has this blue line, red one in the middle, and the green line above. I'm going to explain to you guys all what this means or how I use these indicators. Now, let's just assume that. Let's assume. Let me just cut price a little bit and take it back here. Let's assume that hopefully I'm going to have this. If I do this, I'm going to have this volume profile here. Let me see. If I do this, hopefully I'm gonna get it. Let's see if I'm gonna get it. No, I'm not gonna get it. Yeah, I got it. So now look at this. This is the volume profile, right? And the volume profile, it marks a zone where price is trading. Or let me just say a range, right? So this is a range that price is trading. I can leave that zone, and I'm gonna see what the volume profile is gonna give me. So I can as well zoom out this to see what is going on in the market at that period in time. Like we are looking at, this period in time. So now we can see that where you have this area here is where, like, this area represents an area where there's more trade, like more trade has or transactions has occurred here. You can see here transaction also has occurred here, and when you see like price leaving from these areas, you can see that less transactions has been transacted in these areas, and you can see that above here we don't have much candles except these ones here that you can see here, and below we have also areas where price has moved down, like move downward previously, like this candle, yeah. So what you are looking at, if price is around the upper green zone, which is called the value area high, and the one below is called the value area low, the one in the middle is called the POC. If price is up around the value area high and price is rejecting the value area high, you want to start looking at opportunities to sell. Right now, you don't just sell because price is around the value area high. But price can still be around the value area high, and price is attempting to move right down towards the value area low. So that's when this indicator comes in. The trendilo. The trendilo now is going to show you areas where price is overbought and areas where price is oversold. And the trendilo, when price, you can see there is this middle dash line here in the middle, which has a 0 0 decimal, like 0.00. That line separates um oversold and overbought zone. So when you see this price cross above that line, it means you should start looking for buy opportunity. And if price is below that line, you need to start looking for sell opportunities. Now, when the market is in a downtrend, there's one thing you want to look at in the market. Don't just buy because you see this oversold area here, this zone here. Now, this zone is going to tell you that we are now in a downtrend, and you're going to start waiting for reversal candle. Like, which candle is going to be that candle to reverse that trend, right? So when price is still below this zone here, you are being cautioned and looking for opportunities to get in the market at the right price. So now you zoom out and look at where price printed a sell signal and where price was before it printed a sell signal. You can see price has been moving around the value area high for some time. This is Bitcoin, that's around 71,000, and price has been failing to make higher highs from where price is right now. So the next thing we can assume is that price is gonna go right, is gonna move downward. And when price was above this, it was around this area, the value area high. You can see here, the trendilo printed this overbought zone here. right? This overbought zone, this green zone here, which was overbought zone, but it wasn't that significant. Even though price was above it, it wasn't that significant. If see, you would have wanted to cash this trade, you would have bought it when price, was above this line here, and you saw the alpha trend printed this buy signal. This is where you would have bought it, and you would have sold it, when you saw this, green zone, But that's something I want us to like. That's something I want us to really focus on, like when to actually buy and when to sell. Now, for you to actually buy, you need to look at two things. When the alpha trend print a sell signal, you don't buy instantly. No. We are on the 4 hours time frame. When the alpha trend print a sell signal, you wait for price to fall. When price fall, wait for pullback. When you wait for pullback, if price is not able to go and break this zone here and make higher highs, in the case, this was a fake out, candle. It fake out and make us feel as if, okay, maybe right now price has break this zone, so we should expect the next candle to go. No, what I want to see if when if price is not going to break this zone, I want to see price reject this zone multiple times. So if price reject this zone multiple times, like what happened, yeah, it rejected, yeah, 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 yeah. So automatically, I'm going to start looking for opportunities to, place a short. And what I'm looking at is the alpha trend printing a sell signal again. You can see here the alpha trend printed a sell signal when price was already, below that 0.00 line. You can see it here. And when price was there, I was like, okay, now if say the alpha trend is printing this sell signal, it means that price want to take a dip. All right. So automatically you can now wait for price again to attempt to, because whenever price does this, price doesn't just move like drastically to downside when it comes to Bitcoin. It can happen with any other coin. So when price is doing something like this, that's when you are going now to the all altcoins to see what altcoins are doing. If altcoins, your altcoin that you are trading, if it's playing the same, game here as what Bitcoin is doing, that's when you start looking at opportunities to sell your altcoin or to buy that altcoin. I'm gonna look at buy scenario. Now the sell scenario is tricky because you need to be able to look at where price is and also where these candles are. If the candles are below the alpha trend, after the alpha trend has printed a buy signal, then you can confirm that, okay, these candles has been closing up below the alpha trend, so I should start thinking of opportunities to buy because none of these candles have closed fully above the alpha trend. They are just moving around. They were just moving around the alpha trend. So if we play this right now, because knowing that price was going to fall, you would have capitalized on this movement and sell. And when price came here, you would have took out profit. Now, taking out profit here doesn't mean that price is not going to go down more. Of course not. Taking out profit here means that you are now done and waiting for the next signal. The next signal is going to come where you can see how price has been moving. When price is moving downward, you see that price is forming this, is forming these lower lows, lower highs. You can see forming these lower lows, lower high, and these are all below the alpha trend. Now, if we want to see a reversal, then price should at least the next when after price has made this lower low, yeah, price should go and break the previous, high. So this is the previous high. If price would have broken this zone here, let me show it clearly to you, then you would have known that structure has changed. And when price break it like that, go above, then this is where you want to buy back. Because it's gonna create higher highs from here and higher lows from here. So you are waiting for price to come back there. If price break, go above, waiting for price to come back there. Now, because price hasn't been able to break and make like break structure, then you know that this trend is gonna continue downward. Like it's gonna keep going downward to form another leg down. You'd have bought or you'd have sold here again, right? And ignoring this buy signal, because of course you would have bought it, yeah, yeah, but you would have still get out. This would have been a quick swing trade. You'd have still get out around this area because price was rejecting and rejecting. You can see if I zoom out, you're gonna see that there are multiple candles there that price was rejecting. You can see price was rejecting, rejecting, rejecting. So price was preparing to move back downward. So if we now press play, let me refresh this. If we now press play, we're gonna see what price was doing, and like okay, let's see if price is gonna break this zone, this area here. Let's see if that's gonna be the area where price is gonna start looking for ways to make higher highs. Now let's also create. Let me also show you guys something here. Whenever you see price moving like this, like if you are not able to capitalize on the the sell section, and you see price moving downward, forming these zones here. Those of you who you swing trade, like you DCA, you can DCA whenever you see price point this zone on the 4 hours time frame. You DCA here, you DCA here, you DCA here, and each time you see price come there, you DCA until price break structure, before you can start thinking of taking out profit. But if price is not able to break structure and keep going down, that's when you keep DCAing. Now let's continue with it. Because I want you guys to see clearly what actually goes on here within these candles. So our first play, let me fast forward this so we can go quickly. Let me fast forward this. So we have marked our zones here. This is our zone. Let me mark another zone here. This is another zone here, another structure that price form. Let me mark this under one here. It's very important. You mark all of these zones. It's just easy zones, and I'm going to show you guys another indicator that you can use at the end of this video. So make sure you stay to the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys one of the killer indicator that you can use to eliminate all of this. Draw this, draw that, and draw this. It's going to mark everything for you. So let's play this and see what's going to happen. I want you guys to really see that this indicator actually works. Now you have seen that price has made this move and the alpha trend has put this buy signal, and it was invalidated, yeah, because price failed to move above. Now we have seen a sell signal, but it didn't move downward to create higher lower lows. So let's see what price will do. And price is holding this zone here. This another zone here. Price is holding, so it's trying to form a W here. So this is a W that price is trying to form. Yeah. So let's see what's gonna happen if price breaks structure. Let's see if price is gonna come back to retest that zone, guys. I haven't done this. I'm doing this live with you guys. So let's hope that everything goes well. So let's just see what is going on here, and let's expect price. Let me just fast forward this quickly, so we can get on with this quickly. Yeah, you can see price has broken. Okay, now let's see if price will come back and retest this zone, because this is the area where, let me pause it again. Let me extend this zone here. So so this is the area that we are looking at. This is a zone where you are buying. In between this zone, in between here, when price break, the price is gonna come back to retest this zone. So you see, let me zoom out, guys. This is awesome. You see, price break with this huge vector candle. You see, price came back and retested. Look at it. Price came back in this zone, right? So let's wait to see if, say, price break the other zone above, if price is gonna come back to retest it. Because the alpha trend has put the buy signal. Now you want to trust. Oh boy, let me show you another thing that I explained to you guys earlier. You see, when the alpha trend put a buy signal, where was the trend price around the trend needle? Price was above this 0.00. You can see price was above it, and the alpha trend put a buy signal there. So if price would have done this, would have bought it, yeah, and price was above, the alpha trend also, you'd have already gotten into this trade. Like if I was the one, I would have already gotten into this trade and wait to take out profit, yeah, immediately, because I'm trading, right? I'm gonna look for any opportunity to get into a trade and get out when I see when price is not going my way. So let me play this. Let's see what price is gonna do. Let me zoom this a little bit. Let's see. Price is she's struggling to break. It's struggling to break. Price is rejecting. It's rejecting. I think price is gonna come to reclaim this vector candle. Maybe I don't know. I'm just saying. Okay, price has broken that structure. Okay, now let's see what price is gonna do afterwards. Okay, let's see. Hopefully, it's gonna come there. And you can see as price is moving, this volume profile is adjusting as well. It's adjusting. You can see it's adjusting. It's adjusting. Let's see. Oh, you see? Okay, price has come. You know, wow. Let me pause this a little bit so you can see that price move above that zone. Price now has come back, but the alpha trade has printed a sell signal. Where is price? Price is below this line. So because price is below this line, I have to take that serious. The alpha trend printed this sell signal. And price is below there. But I'm gonna still look at the fact that price breaks structure and price now is there to retest structure. So I want price to hold structure. So I won't be going out from this trade. I'm still in the trade, right? And waiting for price. Price should hold because we are now in structure uptrend. So we're gonna see price move upward. So this area here is the POC. The POC is where price is always going to bounce from, like give direction where price want to go to. So let's hope price keep on going to the upside, because if price, okay, no, you see, um, there's something here I want you to also bring to your attention. When you are in a trade like this, and you see price break this zone, price came and price didn't break structure, and price is attempting to move upward, and price is rejecting, price is holding this zone here, this POC. Immediately you see price break below the POC, price is going to come back to retest that POC. And if price reject that POC, this zone, which is now support, will automatically become resistance. That's when you want to get out from that trade and cash out your profit. But let's just move on and see what's going on here. Let's see what price will do. It will do if price will going to break this structure. Yeah, because I'm seeing a vector here. Maybe they can come and recover this vector. Who knows? So let's see. Price is rejecting. It's rejecting. It's rejecting. Price has gone below the POC now. So I'm super bearish. If I'm in this trade, if I was in this trade, I'm gonna still be in this trade. Why? Because of this. Price is still in structure. I would have draw a line like this and wait for price to keep doing what price is doing. So this is what I would have done, because this is now my support. And if say price breaking support, then I know that maybe we want to go and start doing more lower lows. So let's see what price is gonna do. We are now, let's see. Price has rejected the zone, rejected the zone, rejected the zone. So, and price is still rejecting. You can see it's still rejecting. It's still rejecting. And let's see what price is gonna do. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Now we are seeing a buy signal here on the alpha trend. This is the 4 hours time frame, guys. We are looking this. We are looking at the 4 hours time frame. You can see price has gone, and where this previous low, this previous high. You see price rejected that zone. Price is still attempting to go. Price has rejected that zone, and now we are in a danger zone, guys. Whenever you are in a trade and you see price doing what price is doing, don't don't you rush immediately to sell, except something really bad is happening in the market. Well, you need to look at structure. Structure must be broken first before you can start thinking of selling. Or maybe if you see multiple rejection on a particular area, like you see price is still attempting to break the value area low, value area high, and price isn't able to break the value area high, and price attempted the zone back then. So the next thing you should expect is price should come back right down here. So let's just like, if I'm trading, because I don't know what's gonna happen in the future, I'm already out of this trade. Even though price hasn't come here to this zone, to this area here where I mentioned that it's my resistance, because I've seen price rejecting this zone multiple times and price is consolidating. I don't want to sell. I don't want to be in a market which is consolidating. Okay, you can see this is it. Let me draw this here. You see, price has attempted that zone multiple times, and where is price now again? Price is back where price started. Look at it. Price is here, this zone. Let me refresh this. You can see. So now we should expect price to break to bounce from here. If price is gonna bounce from here, where do we expect price to go? Around $69 or around 70, sorry, not $69, not $69, $69,000 or around $70. So you can see, guys, what I wanted you guys to see is I want you guys to see that these indicators, they can give you momentum, like what price is doing. They can give you momentum in the market, what price is doing, and help you to measure, price action, and also to show you what is going on in those candles, right? And you can see also a range that price is trading, and now that price has rejected the value area high. So where do you expect price to go to? The value area low, and the value area low is around the $62,000. So if you're playing with this with Bitcoin, knowing that Bitcoin moves alongside other Bitcoin moves the market, you're gonna look for altcoins that move drastically with Bitcoin or move drastically after Bitcoin has moved. So when Bitcoin is doing this, you are doing your analysis on Bitcoin, you are looking at what Bitcoin is doing. You now go to those altcoins and see what they're doing. The reason why you go to those altcoins is because you're gonna make more gains from those altcoins than Bitcoin. Bitcoin can fall 2%, but those altcoins are gonna fall 10%, 15%, and so on and so forth, which is very important. I'm gonna come now to see if say I got some questions here. I can see you up and Rila, KRK. You should be the face of Mino coin. It's new, it's fun, and you can attract a massive flowing pride follower, pansexual. The price is volatile until the interest rate announcement. Uh, that's also. I don't want to be any. I don't want to be a face of any coin. I want to be the face of me of this platform. But I think you are diverting from what we are talking about today. I think looking at this, you can already understand where I'm coming from and where I'm going towards. Because if you are able to, guys, we like trust me, you cannot, know everything in one day. If you actually, to an extent, have understood something from what I've said here, is good. But I'm going to do my best to always use these indicators to show you how price moves, so that get you're gonna be familiar with this, and you're gonna actually master it. I'm gonna be doing a session, like trading session. I'm gonna form a group that we're gonna trade every day, every week, every month. And the requirement to join that group is that you, first of all, be part of my channel. The link is found below this video. Join my channel. If say you are watching on Twitter, go to my YouTube channel and find the link to join my Telegram group, or you can go to the bio of my Twitter. My link tree is there. You can then join my Telegram group, and then make yourself known there that you want to be part of the trading community, and I'm gonna do my possible best to get you in. If say you want to also get what I'm buying and what I'm selling, it's easy. Go to my link tree. The first link, get my buy and sell, like take profit. So whenever I buy something, sell, take profit. This is more for those who are into spot trading. This is my portfolio, what I'm buying, when I'm getting out from what I'm buying, when I'm taking out profit, or when I'm just selling and at a loss. At times I sell at a loss because if I don't sell at a loss, maybe I might receive or get more losses. So I always try to maximize. Not always, most at times I try to minimize my risk in the market, my exposure in the market, so I don't get wrecked by the market makers. Hopefully, guys, I don't want this to be too long. It's already 28 minutes. So I'm going to call this a go for today. And hopefully, this was somewhat helpful to you. And okay, I'm going to look at Minu. You have been talking about Minu here for some time. I'm going to look at Minu. Then I'm going to, whenever I'm doing the next live, I'm going to analyze Minu. If you see me analyze Minu, my next show, then you be rest assured that I've seen that it's a good project. If I don't see it as a good project, I won't really analyze it, or talk about it in the first place. But it doesn't matter anyways. If say the chart gives me opportunity to buy, sell, then it's good. That's what I want to see. But anyways, guys, this is it. Hopefully, it was helpful to you, and make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and share this content with someone else out there. Ciao.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe